Getting the tractors ready to go for the Clay City Tractor Show, Antique Show. We got the UTU loaded, 1947. Out here we have the Oliver 1955 Oliver Super 77 and a 1947 John Deere H. That 77 kind of dwarfs that little H. Of course, you got 12 horsepower versus 30-some horsepower. Get some more film down at the tractor show. It starts in the morning. I have a lot of fun down there. Of course, tomorrow being my birthday, my wife was throwing me a surprise birthday party until she found out I was going to be down there. And then she says, no, you're not. You'll be here. So I'll be down there in the morning, be back here in the afternoon for my surprise birthday party. I surprised her when I told her I wasn't going to be here. Here we are. Of course, we had another flat. I drove the UTU down there, drove it in. Mighty F12. Oh, it's a 14. That's what my dad and grandpa started with, a model on F12, single wheel on rubber. More coming in. There'll be more here tomorrow. These guys own.
And here you go. Just take it back. There.
What did I do wrong now?
You got the battery turned on?
Oh, never mind. I got a push button on yours.
Yeah. Push button to start. Ford is a featured tractor this year. So far, they don't have much of a showing. Fordson Power Equipment. There you go. What a ride. Nice 782. Cubby. Little one style day. John Deere. Trip plow, 2 bottom. Here's a style day. $620. Will be Bellimore Woods. Set up pretty nice. Real nice John Deere 80. You don't see many of these. Cat D10 wannabe. E15, nice, pretty. So they're 620, 460, 560. And a Super M. About as much red as green. Little orange. And I got my one yellow tractor here, my Moline. This will be garden tractor lane right through here. Co-op. And the dyno. I heard chick dynamo on that and no PTO. Here we are, Saturday morning. More tractors are arriving.
This tractor will
John Deere Patio Series. Hit and miss engines, lawnmowers, garden tractors. One of the latest Hubers there. I got the 1924.
I've always heard about it. It's always I haven't found that before the last couple of years. I will go down there.
Super 4.
Well, I made myself not get nothing last year. There was a couple of Indians all over there.
Crosser engine.
Waiting on whether to move my truck over so I can sit here and watch it. Yeah.
800 diesel. LED lights. Oh, spick and span. That's 3-point. 540. Got new skins on it, new rubber. Well, that's nice. A few more Molines showed up. UB special. Gas tractor. This isn't decked out. Money fine too. Oh, it's got a 3-point on it. Five-star over here. And here's a case. Nice looking 5-star. Three-point hitch. Gasoline. Struck. Alice Chalmers. D12 backhoe and bucket. Got a loader on it. Real nice. D15 Alice. Armo H moving in. You got a 3-point and 540 PTO. Nicely done. Nice little diesel. Caterpillar engine. There's the H just rolled in. 4 Ford showed up.
Yeah, that was more of a gray one I seen last year that was down here. Okay.
I ain't so sure it ain't a size bigger than that one.
Yeah. Is that the road gear for that truck?
That's road gear. That's high speed.
It always felt like he was on the verge of retiring all the time whenever I went to him before, and I was like, well.
You like these tractors? There's your daddy. See that tractor right here? That was my dad's first tractor. No, he had one like it, not this one. It had an F12. This is an F14.
A lot of weight on the front of her, dude.
Look at an old Ferguson's 40. There's 60.
Oh, what's a he is?
That's an A.
He has grass all over his tires. Everybody's tires are like wrapped up in grass.
Huh. You know, Bobber will have the R, he'll have the 80, and he's going to have an 830. He'll have all
What did he
big-
bring? What did he bring here?
He's got an 80 over there. His 80.
Oh, okay.
He's got that chrome stack on it. It's pretty.
Uh-huh.
I was over at his house the other day, and getting that part off that H for John.
Oh, okay.
For the H John Deere.
Uh-huh.
This is a B, I think, isn't it? Yeah,
Looks
model,
like it, yeah.
Model B.
Style B.
Yeah, I see it on the seat back here now.
Yeah.
730 diesel.
With them massive tires on the front of it.
I had a farmer north of us, he had a 730 diesel. It was a narrow front end. When I was a kid.
Isn't that a mess?
Man, it was molding over there, yeah.
That's a UB special. See, the UB is set up high in those instead of my
Yeah.
U. My UTU set
So
decent
what's the
down
more
low.
accurate color? You have your color is a little lighter than that.
Well, that's not either. Mine's too light and that's too dark.
Oh, so somewhere in the middle would be perfect, huh?
Yeah. Well, I went over and going to have them match the paint on that U302. That's before I realized it had been repainted.
Yeah.
But he used the backside where it hadn't been repainted, and they said it was like a Ford yellow or something like that.
Oh.
Or maybe GM. I think it was GM now. Well, here's another D15, yeah.
Yeah.
3 bottom. Oh, that is all slicked up too. Nice 3 bottom. Hey, all thing fixed up. He's ready for plow day. You know, they get these looking better than they did brand new.
Yeah. They were more about functionality than actual.
Yeah.
And is that where they mounted the weights on it there? That
I don't know. I'm not an AC guy. You have to ask Max about that.
I would assume it's.
Hey, we gotta go and get your weights off of him too.
Yeah. What is it? How much did he want for those?
There's my Oliver Super 77. It's the prettiest Oliver here because that's the only Oliver here. I was really surprised. A few years ago, that was a featured tractor, and there were several Olivers here, and there used to be an Oliver dealership right here in Clay City by Jim Orstein, but that was the only Oliver here this year. For my children, I got 2 shirts, a Minneapolis Moline and an Oliver, and also got a Minneapolis Moline U302 plaque to hang up. Here they are. Here's pictures of them. Now, isn't that just neater than a parking meter? All right, we got them back home. Got them all logged back in here. Here's my UTU and the Oliver Super 77. Got them back in the garage under cover. There's a couple of projects. Old Goldie and the old other Super 55. I'm going to be have to fix the front end on it. It looked like it's been knocked in a little bit. We're going to pound that out a little bit. All in all, down at Clay City, we had a great time, and I had a great birthday party, and got a few nice things. My oldest son and his wife and 2 sons, grandsons, they got me a plaque got to show a metal plaque there. It's got a Moline U302 on it. And then my other daughter, her husband, my granddaughter there, got me a real nice Oliver shirt, Oliver t-shirt. I want to thank them for all that. Those are real nice presents. Really appreciate it. And there you have it. We'll catch you on the next one.